Let's fix Do Not Disturb if it's turning on automatically on your iPhone. Now, if you have your iPhone and at a certain time or place, it automatically defaults to Do Not Disturb. I'm going to show you how to fix that. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's just head into the settings here. And from here, we're going to scroll down until you find Focus. Focus is the same as Do Not Disturb. So tap on Focus here, and at the very top, tap on Do Not Disturb. Now, this will automatically turn on based on a schedule. So let's scroll down, and if you have a schedule set, you can see I can tap on it, and I have two options. I can toggle this schedule completely off, or hit Delete Schedule if I wanted to. However, I can also just edit essentially when this turns on or off. So I can choose to turn this off during the weekends, but enable it during the weekends. You have complete control, but if you do want to delete it, just hit delete and you're good to go.